And welcome to a brand new live stream. I've missed doing this so much, as you can probably tell. Um, I'm so glad we are 80 on this channel. The last video, the one that I posted yesterday, actually has been doing great, literally great. Like here, I mean, honestly, let me tell you guys right now, 620 views. 620 views. I don't know if you can see, but it's just amazing, I swear. So thank you very much for being and sticking with me all this damn time. I hope the live stream works and you can hear me properly. If not, well, that's sad. Maybe I should actually try. Just wait a sec. So thank you very much for Okay, so the microphone works. I don't know about the music. Great. Like here, I mean, honestly, let me tell you guys right now. Use. So just give me. Okay. Sorry that you hear me two times. It's just the fact that I don't know honestly if the microphone is set correctly. The thing is, I've tried multiple times. You guys also helped me doing it. I'm trying to find the best settings out there for everything, and maybe it's just a bit too much. Maybe I don't know exactly. I can also drag the volume of the music a bit more, something like this. Yeah, I think now it's better than before. Just let me know, guys. Once you enter on this live stream, let me know if everything works correctly. And oh, I forgot about the chat. Let me set everything because it takes a bit of time. Now I see that I haven't done this in a few days, so yeah, I completely forgot about the chat. Okay, let me just type and see if I'll receive a message. The thing is, you know what I've realized? I don't have the chat here, I think. And maybe we can... Okay, so it works. That's nice. What I wanted to do was... Where is it? Sub goal, new sub alerts, and so on. But it can only... Yeah. So you can only see me right now. I'm just switching between the scenes. New sub alerts. I mean... Yeah, that's interesting. Well, anyways. One more thing. I hope I will make everything. Hey Noko, hey Rover, welcome back. You were so fast, so fast. So let's switch. Let me know if there's anything bad with the mic, with the sound itself, with the camera, with whatever. Let me know if everything works perfectly fine, because I'm a bit concerned about that. Maybe I should check again. Okay, I can put it like this, or I don't know about the music. Okay, hold on. Yeah, make everything. There's anything bad with the mic, with the sound itself, with the camera, with whatever. Okay, I think it works. So, how are you today, Noko? I'm so glad you joined. Like, I literally started this live stream a few minutes ago. So, what I'm planning to do today, guys, I hope this is gonna be a longer live stream than before, than I used to do. Because today we will start C#. Maybe you know the site already, we've used it. in the first live streams as well. But today we will focus on this course right here, free professional certifications, one from Microsoft. It's quite professional and something like that. I did this almost a year ago, so I literally forgot everything. But yeah, I will try my best. You can see here now we have 80 subscribers, guys. Thank you so much for that. So much. You don't have any idea how happy I am about the last video, because it literally pushed my channel a lot. And that's great. I mean, 636 views. Imagine. The first video on this channel that's gonna hit most likely 1000 views is gonna be how I failed with Godot, which is quite funny if you ask me. But yeah. Anyways, let's try. Okay. Microsoft Learn platform. Okay, so we will switch between this platform and Microsoft Learn. Have to go there, complete all the tasks are required to earn the certificate. Okay, let's go. I don't know why it's in this language, but I'm gonna change it. So 27 minutes, module 7 units. We will write our first code. This is what we are gonna do. Without any more things, let's begin. Okay, so here we can see what we can do with C#, nothing new. Applications, write code. Okay, I know a bit of this, so it's fine. I've earned yeah, but hold on. Because what I wanted to do was getting back here and redoing this stuff, because I actually forgot what I did 1 year ago. So let's see. Exercise, write your first code. Please let me know if everything works perfectly fine, because I don't have any idea. Write your first code. So in this, okay. So this one. So we have to enter this code. Let's do it. I'm not gonna autocomplete. I'm gonna write it by myself, because it's better to learn it this way. Hello world. I will see. Have to run the code. Hello world. Okay. Press the run. It compiles your code. Nothing new so far. What to do? Okay, let's get an error message by purpose. For example, error. Okay, nice. So it works perfectly fine. Oh, I didn't know this thing. That's nice. The first part indicates the line. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this because it's quite important. The line and the column. That's easy for the developers, I guess. Maybe I should try and see. Rover, are you still here, buddy? Or did you had enough? Let me see if it works. I'm not gonna listen in the mic, so I won't disturb you guys. Yes. Okay. Yeah, everything works perfectly fine. Nice. That's great. Okay. Okay. Should I switch this one to white instead of black? The question is how. Okay, give me a sec. I know I switched the screens, Rover. Don't blame me for that. I'm just trying to see where is the place for that, because I honestly team. Okay, got it. Oh, that was powerful. Okay, is it better or not? I don't have any idea, but I think it's easier to read. And also the text is clear here. Sometimes your message can be a bit misleading. You need to understand the true reason why. Okay, if you use single... I know this one was used for charts, if I am right. Surrounded, you would get the following error message. In character... Oh, not chart, but char, sorry. Okay, line 1, character 19. Why 19? That's interesting. Because of the letters? So here we have 7, 8, right? Am I right? 6, 7, 8, yes. Then we 3, 5, 9 plus 8, 17, 18. Okay, so this is the 19 thing in the code. Okay, very precise. We literally have to count if no. But yeah, that's interesting. Character 19, yes. The message. Okay. Also, this one is important. Instead, yeah, okay. The charts, if I remember, not charts. Why am I saying charts? It's char. Right. I would just say meaning because it's easier to find, I would say. Graphical, blah blah blah. I wanted maybe example. Yeah, it's easier. Not this, not chart. Char. So this is a char. Basically just one letter at a time, or because for numbers we don't need them, only for letters. If I'm remembering well. I think I do. Okay. So let's see next. I have to drink some water. Forgetting, yeah, this is very often. Okay. Thing is, I don't know where because I switched to the theme. The console, I think, had yeah, now it's back. Nice. So back to it. Okay, it's a bit weird to code with white screen, but for reading it's way easier. At least for my eyes. So this is what the comment means. Okay. This is Thomas' brush icon. These two lines. I'm pretty sure though. Okay. Rubber body, you're not here anymore, and that's a bit sad. Hope my camera is okay though. Maybe I is it too faded or something? Because I think give me one moment. because I might fix something with the camera. I feel like the sharpness it's not enough. I think it's a bit better now. Maybe I can even do it more. I think now it's better. More clarity. Okay, that's great. Let's return. So we're back. Oh, someone subscribed. Belvum. Hi, buddy. Welcome on this channel. I hope you heard that notification, because every time someone subscribes, I also have pop-up, and it's funny. It's funny because it's true. I'm curious if you were able to hear it. Were you? Hold on. Let me check. I'm curious. That someone subscribed. Apparently not. That's weird though, because I have sound effect for every person that subscribes. But hi and welcome on this channel. I'm curious if you subscribed because you are here. If you are here, welcome, as I said. If you subscribed from the video, that's great. Oh, I think you subscribed because of the... Hold on. Just people commenting on the previous video that got really popular. I didn't expect that. Anyways, let's see. Code comments are helpful when you're not ready to delete the code yet. Okay. Add new lines of code to match the following code snip. Let's do it. So, console write if I'm remembering well, this one means a space in between or something like that. Hope I'm right. If not, no worries, we will figure it out later on. Your first lines of code. Okay. So, our first lines of code. I'm curious if I delete this one, what's gonna happen? Yeah, so that means a space in between. I have to remember that though. Maybe I can take a screenshot of it and say space in between. Let's go. Space in between. Okay. How are you guys today? Because there's not that much activity in the chat. Don't be afraid of disturbing me or anything. Even though I'm trying to concentrate, I can still talk to you guys. So feel free to ask, talk, or however you feel like. It doesn't bother me. If it did, I wouldn't be live. Keep that in mind. Okay. Oh, exactly. So that was the purpose. It's a message. Oh, my bot. Thank you for the follow. Yes, thank you very much, Bellium. I wasn't sure what was your name, buddy, because it appeared on the screen. I mean, for you guys, not for me. I have to check in the OBS, and I don't like to transition right when I receive that notification because it's not nice for you. But yeah, thank you very much. Okay, let's see the difference between console right and console right line. The 3 lines of code you added demonstrated the difference. Console right and the output. So to print the output console but without adding a line feed at the end. Okay. For example, if here I had this one, it was another line, but if I only have... What if I'll delete this once? What's gonna happen? I think it's still the same. Without this ones, I will get an error, right? Yes. If I'm using them, it's gonna be fine. So I don't necessarily need these two. It's the same thing without them. And for example, if I just say console write, so now I need them. I see. So if I use console write line, I don't necessarily need this too. But if I'm using console write, thank you very much. Someone else subscribed. Welcome here. Or am I receiving... I don't know who? Wait, just let me check, guys. Welcome here, welcome on this channel if you are on this live stream. Who? I want to say your name, Victor Baradas. Welcome on this channel, buddy. Yes. Thank you. Also, my bot is working, so he tells me the names. It's just a bit of a delay in between, but no worries. It's fine, it's normal. Okay. Let's go. So I got it. I saw the difference. Update your code to match the following code snippet. Just have to delete this one. And here we need console write line. Okay. Just what we did literally. This is gonna be the outcome. That's true. Okay. Nice. Now let's see next module. Hold on, not next module, because I've told you guys. So we did this, learn how it works. Now we have to do this one. Okay. What is a program language? We know what that is. Special program called the compiler converts your source code into a different format that the computer central processing unit CPU can execute. Okay. What's syntax? The rules for writing C# code is called syntax. Let's focus on the following line of code you wrote. Apparently it's not here anymore, but let's just type it in. Okay, let's see if it works. It works. When the phrase is surrounded by double quotation marks in your C# code is called a literal string. Usually run the characters and so send to the output. Okay. Hope the mic works perfectly fine. Console part is called the class. Oops. Maybe a bit. Yeah. Console part is a class. Mm. Ah, okay. Now it makes sense why it's a class. Do you remember when we had HTML and CSS that every time we wanted to define a class in CSS, I'm talking now, we used a dot. So this is why they tell us it's a class. Okay, this makes sense. I see. The class name and the method name. Okay, makes sense. I'm just checking the live stream to see if everything works fine. Okay, so everything is great. The right line part is called a method. So let's see what's the difference. What? Okay, it makes sense. No, wait. Now it's the fourth one. Have a challenge apparently. Okay, let's see. Code challenges throughout these modules, blah blah blah. Write display to messages. Select and press delete. Okay. By the code that this is the first line, this is the second line. So console.write. And now I have to say it's the first line and just the second line. But now, so if I insert it here, I think this is the outcome. Right line, like this. Right? Nice. So we did it. Okay. So we have to say in advance, basically, write a new line, and then it's gonna be displayed on the next line. It's logical. Because you need to learn how to display. Okay, complete. Don't. Now let's get back. We are at the. Oh, review the solution. The solution. Why like this? And what? The following code is one possible solution. One possible from many others. It's just one possible solution. The most complicated one, I would say. We literally did this in 2 lines, and here they are showing me 4 lines. So this is not efficient code Microsoft here, but no, they're trying to learn us. Basically, knowledge check. Okay, so here we have another thing. Oh, Jesus, don't ask me. What is the primary job of a compiler? The compiler primarily locates spelling mistakes in your code, executes your code, the compiler primarily converts your code. I think this one I'm not that sure, but is here it's sensitive. Is a method, is a class. They said if I'm right, console is a class and WriteLine is a method. So is this one, I think. What's wrong with this line? The it's missing that. Nice. We are doing a great job. Today is a good day. No, okay. Complete but not yet. Summary. Get a free blah 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 blah. Complete module. Okay. I've told you guys I already did this. So assignments. I did it and this. Hold on. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Submit and go to the next challenge. What I wanted to see. So we just did this basically. I've told you I did this. Maybe I should have registered with another account, but I'm just using this one. So yeah, I'm redoing the stuff that I kind of forgot. But I'll do it again, no problem. Okay, in this module we will learn this. Let's do it. Exercise. So in this exercise you will print messages containing other types of data and learn why data types are so important. What is the literal value? Never changes. A string is basically a word. How is the camera is working? Okay. Strings, so on. So use the string data type whenever you want alphanumeric words, phrases, or data for presentation, not calculation. Okay. For calculations, I'm pretty sure we use integers. What other kinds of literal data can you print? Let's see. There are many. If you only wanted a single alphanumeric character printed to screen, you could create a char. So char, yes, that was the name by surrounding one. A single quote term. Char is short for the character. Term frequently referred as a character. So we have to write this one here. Write line. And it's B. Okay, observe the code. But I'm just curious if I use this, for example, is the same. The outcome is the same, but it's not politically. Okay, this is it. If you enter the following code, you will receive an error. Yes, too many words for a character, because in a story we have only one main character. I mean, in most stories we have only one main character, so yeah, that's true. Okay. Something. Let me check the live stream, guys. This is if you see me constantly moving in a weird way or something like that, is because I'm checking my phone to see if the live stream works. but I think it does. So yeah, everything is fine. Welcome here for those who just hi Henix and welcome. How are you today? Welcome on this channel. Um I don't Are you a new subscriber? It does work. Hello, Fatnut, and welcome. I'm pretty sure you are a new subscriber on this channel. Thank you guys very much for joining this live stream and being here with me. I think you subscribed because of the latest video, if I'm not mistaken. Please correct me if I'm wrong, and I'm sorry if I am. But I remember the names and the profile pictures or profile photos of my subscribers in general, so yeah. Today I'm trying to do this course, I mean, as much as I can. Of course, it's too much to complete in one day only. Because you can see here all the modules, so it's a lot. We are here and we are working on it. So you're very welcome if you wanna see me trying my best to learn C# by myself. How are you guys today? So if you want to display a numerical number. Yes, I got here from the Godot video. The title made me click so fast. Lol. Nice! I would say the clickbait worked, but honestly, it wasn't like 100% clickbait because it's not like I lied. I mean, Godot didn't ruin my life, but that day was a failure. Any reason you are learning C#? Because I'm using Unity as a game engine, and in Unity it requires C# code, right? So I don't want to rely only on ChatGPT for the code itself. I want to be able to maybe create it myself or figure out if there's anything wrong with it, and also for university because I have courses, so it's gonna be helpful in the future, in the next year, because I'm done with the first year. I'm done with all the exams. Now it's basically summer vacation, but I'm pretty busy these days. I will try my best to be active on the channel as well, as much as I can. You saw me yesterday posting a video, today doing the live stream, maybe even tomorrow. This weekend I won't be able to, but we will see later on, so stay tuned because I promise content is gonna be here. Honestly, Godot ruined my free time as I spent too much time in it. I thought the video would be similar. And it wasn't. It wasn't similar. Was it different from what you expected? Oh, nice goal for learning it then. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. And sorry if there's a big delay in here, if I'm responding too late to your messages, but this is how the live stream works. As a fellow game dev and university student, you've got this. Thank you so much, guys. It's so nice that you both joined literally at the same time, I think. And yeah, it's nice to have you here while I'm trying my best with this, because it's not that entertaining. But just as I've told you in the previous video about Godot, this channel is not gonna be only about me succeeding, it's about the whole process. So of course there are ups and downs. I will definitely share my success, if you can name it like that, when it's the case, but yeah, most of the time it's just me learning stuff. I thought you would totally fangirl about Godot and say it ruined your life, as you also spent too much time in it. I mean, the thing is, imagine I didn't spend that much time. I literally just spent 1 hour basically because I will show you right now, guys. You can see, hold on, it's loading. So you will see it right here. This is how much time I spent. This was the video that I've edited. It took me 43 minutes. The video that was almost 10 minutes longer, here it was 43. So what I did a live stream that, as you can see, I set it to unlisted, and then I've edited as a video because of course it would be more interesting, and I also cut a lot of things from it, so it wasn't that painful spending just 1 hour trying to figure things out. I was also busy that day because someone told me, maybe you, but not, I'm not sure. If I put more time into it, it's gonna work out. Maybe not you, maybe someone else. Hold on, let me check to not make a mistake. Put your mind to maybe no. Yeah, the thing is, people didn't expect me to struggle with it that much, but I'm 100% sure if I would dedicate more time to it, it wouldn't be a struggle at all. It was literally my first contact ever. Was not my thing. Yeah, I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry. I just received, you can see, like 25 minutes ago, 1 hour ago, 1 hour ago, 10 hours ago. So I didn't expect this video to get that much attention from the public. But apparently the failure is more successful than the succeed project. I don't know. By the way, let me know if the sound and the music and everything is fine and everything works perfectly fine. If there's anything that I have to change, let me know. Shall we display a numeric phone number? It's short for integer, which you may recognize from studying math. It's the following line of the code in the editor. Okay. Integer literals. They didn't recommend this method at the university. So maybe it's not that used in general? I'm not sure. Use floating point literals. Floating point is a number. Anyway, I won't be chatting much, working still, and I don't want to interrupt the learning. Thank you very much. No, it's perfectly fine. It's perfectly fine. I love general talking, so it doesn't bother me. If you have any question or you wanna chat, music and all seems fine. I will be in the shadows lurking just on audio. Have a good study time. Thank you very much and good luck with what you're doing. If you have any question, feel free to ask. As I said, you don't bother me. I love chatting with you guys and seeing activity in the chat. It always makes me happy because every time I used to do live streams, I was all by myself. So it's a bit sad, knowing that it's only you. But yeah, thank you very much and good luck. Okay, so float was for decimals. Yeah. Double and decimal. Various degrees. Oh, wow. Here, precision reflects the number of digits past the decimal that are accurate. Have to add that one. Okay. 25 and F for float. Bit of float letter and the letter. Actually, I think they told us. No, I was wrong. I think they told us about this one, but I just forgot because a lot of time passed by and I didn't practice at all. So of course, it's just like you're trying to learn a new language and you don't practice anything and then you forget everything. The following code in the code editor and so on. Oh my god, guys, we are 87 right now. I just saw, I'm shocked. Thank you so much for watching the live stream or the video or I don't know, my content in general. It's so nice having you by my side. We are gonna be such a great team together because I feel like I finally found my tribe. All the people that are willing to learn stuff, to create stuff are here. So for me, it's gonna be the best community out there. Okay, the nonconformists. Let's see. The following line of code in the code editor. To create a float literal, append the letter F. Okay, we did this. I'm trying to read them again so it sticks more into my mind. Literal suffix, okay. So it's never a prefix, it's only a suffix. So it doesn't matter if it's lowercase or uppercase, but we will use uppercase for these things. Maybe it's easier to spot it out there. Is the list precise? Just use this data type. Prefix fractional values to avoid unexpected computation errors. Okay. Now I have to add this one. If it works. A double. Okay, so this is a double. We had the outcome. Oh my god, I'm gonna copy this one because it's too much. And M. So it works. To create a decimal, append letter M after the number. In this context, the M is called a literal suffix. The literal you wish. So this one right here, I can't. Okay. Tells the compiler you wish to work with a value of decimal type. You can use either. Okay. Press the green button. We had the outcome. That's pretty much it. Use Boolean. If you wanted to print, okay, can clear this one. Yeah. If you wanted to print a value representing either true or false, you could use a bool literal. The term bool is short for Boolean. Often developers use the term Boolean. Okay. Add the followings. Let's write line. Oops. So we have sure. Here we have false. If we run the console, it works. Okay, let's clean this. My phone is 100%. Oh my god, the Godot video now has 800 views. When I open the live stream, I don't even know when. Let me just check. Not even 1 hour ago. So when I open it, we had 630 or 50 or something like that. And now it has 800 views. How does that work? I don't know. The YouTube algorithm is just loving this channel. That's great. Data types. I believe they can help developers. Okay. For presentation, not calculation. Yes, strings and chars. So mathematical int or this one. Yeah. If you have data that is used for presentation or text manipulation. Text manipulation. Ooh. Oh. However, no, so this is not true because it has the quotation. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. This marks. Here is a function. It executes it. Yeah. But here is just a simple text basically. Same goes for this one. This is an integer and this is just simple text, if I'm not mistaken. But I think I understood it right. In fact, is that the kinds of things you can do with the underlying interpol will be different than their string. Yeah. So recap: string for words, phrases, blah blah blah, char for a single alphanumeric character, int for whole number, decimal fraction number, true, false. We did this. So unit 2 or 3. Let's go to this one. Okay, so a variable is a container for storing a type of value. We can change or write throughout the execution of a program. The variables are very important, I think. These are like the alphabet of C#, if I understood it right. Then give it a name. In this case, you're creating a new variable of type string called first name. Let's do it as well. First name. Can only hold string values. Yes, you can choose any name as it works. Yep, as long as the hardest part of software development is naming things. Maybe, yeah, because software devs are the ones that are working with numbers, not names, things, and so on. So yeah, I'm the opposite. I'm very passionate. For those who don't know, guys, I'm very into psychology, literature. I don't have that much connection, let's say, with math, physics, science in general, stuff like that. Our brain has two different eras. The right one, that's for creativity, and the left one for logical stuff. And yeah, when I did a test, they said I'm 50-50, but I've always thought it's more the one that doesn't have the number connection with. Not only does the name of a variable have to follow certain syntax rules, it also, hold on, just a lot of notifications. Oh wow. So let's see. Why so many? I don't know. It's so nice. Okay. So here's a few important considerations about variable. Variable names can contain a okay. So the hashtag and the $sign are not allowed. Not a number. That's right. Okay, sensitive. That string value and string value are two different variables. Okay. Names must not be a C-sharp keyword. For example, you cannot use the following variable declarations: decimal, decimal, or string, string. Yeah, it doesn't make sense. There are coding conventions. Here are some coding conventions. Variable names should use camel case, which is a style of writing that uses a lowercase letter at the beginning of the first word and an uppercase letter at the beginning of each subsequent word. For example, string, this is camel case. Okay. Variable names should begin with an alphabetical letter. Developers use the underscore for a special purpose, so try. Hold on. So yeah, we should avoid using an underscore. Should be descriptive and meaningful in your app. Choose a name for your variable that represents the kind of data it will hold. Should be one or more entire words banded together. Don't use contractions or abbreviations. Maybe unclear to others. That's true. If we are gonna use Git, for example, in the future, yeah, we should be very clear. Variable names shouldn't include data type of the variable. You might see some advice to use a style like string, string value. That advice is no longer current. Oh, okay. The example follows all of these rules and conventions, assuming to use this variable to store data that represents someone's first name. Okay. Here's a few examples. Char, game score, decimal. I got it. Recap. Variables are temporary values you store in computer's memory. Before you can use a variable, you have to declare it. To declare a variable, you first. So temporary values. Okay, you have to declare it. That's true. So for example, we first say here this one and then console write or console write line and declare it. You first select and then okay. We are done with this. Let's move to the next one. I am curious if you guys are still here with me. Yeah, thank you very, very much for being here today. Those variables are temporary storage containers for data. They are meant to be written to and read from. In this exercise, you will declare a variable, assign it a value, retrieve its value, and more. Okay, let's select, clear, and run so there's nothing. Enter the following code in the code editor. Yeah, okay, let's do it again. First name and first name equals Bob. Oh, first mistake. Okay. So we have to use this ones. Okay. To declare a variable, you enter the data type you want to use, followed by a name for the variable. To assign a value to a variable, characters assigning a value is also referred to as setting the variable or simply a set operation. Improperly assign a value to a var. It's important. So this assignment happens from right to left. What do you mean? In other words, the C compiler must first understand the value. Okay, so first name basically. And then, okay. And then it can perform the assignment to the variable on the left side of the... Let me see. Interesting. Modify the code, you will get an error. Okay, this is like just like in math, you can say the other way around, so makes sense. Improperly, you learned that C# was designed to enforce types. When you're working with variables, enforcing types means you can't assign a value of one data type to a variable declared to hold. What? Hold on. Ah, okay. Yeah, because this is an integer, so it's meant to be used only for numbers, and Bob is a string, I'm pretty sure. You can't associate these two. Makes sense? The error message hints at what the C# compiler tries to do behind the scenes. Try to implicitly convert the string Bob to be an int value, however that is impossible. Even so, C# tried to do conversion but fails since there's no numeric. Yeah, so I was right, that's great. You'll learn more about that later. For now, just remember that a variable can only hold values matching. Okay. Or you just use the name of the variable. This example was set. Hold on, to return from issues. The variable's value, then retrieve that value and display it in the console. Modify the console you wrote to match the following code. So we just have to add stuff. Console write line and then first name. Oops. Okay. Now run the code. So it should be pop. If we don't use this one, the console doesn't have anything to display. Okay, now it has. Nice. Hope the live stream is working. Let's check it out. It does. That's great. Okay. Now that you're familiar with different types of errors, you can quickly fix mistakes with the help of the compiler's error messages. Yeah. You can reuse and reassign the variable as many times as you want. This example illustrates that idea. Modify the code you wrote to match the following code. Okay. First, oh, I want to say this is gonna be on error, but no. Ah, okay. Interesting way. I thought that we have to declare again string blah blah blah. String, I don't know, first name 1, first name 2, but apparently no. Okay. Good to know, I guess. So console dot write line first name. I'm not gonna copy paste stuff. I'm gonna try them by myself most of the time to get used to this way of typing. So Isabella. Then what do we have? Console. That right line and first name again. Oops. First name Yasmin and also right line here. It's gonna be first name again. Okay, so we should receive the outcome. Yes, we did it right. Okay, good to know. I'm gonna take a print screen of this and say name list. Okay, it works. Initialize the variable. You must set a variable to a value before you can get a value from the variable. That's true. Otherwise, you will see an error. Modify the code you wrote. Let's just, yeah. So let's do it like this. Console.writeLine. Name. Now run the code. So it's gonna be an error because we don't have this one declared. To avoid the possibility, it's recommended that you set a value as soon as possible after you declare it. In fact, you can perform both the declaration and setting the value of the variable in one line of code. This technique is called initializing the variable. Okay, so we can do it here as well. It's not necessary to go here and do it here. We can do it on the same line basically. Now it's gonna work. Here's what you've learned. Maybe I can also take a print screen of this. I don't know if it's necessary or not, but just in case. String name output, I would say, I don't know. Something. You must assign set value to a variable before you can retrieve. Okay. Assignment happens from right to left. Yeah, so from this one to here. You use a single equals character as the assignment operator to retrieve the value from the variable. You merely use the variable's name. Okay. Next one. 5 out of 9. I'm checking. Oh my god, guys, the video now has literally 960 views, almost 1k. I am I don't know, wow, I'm almost crying, literally. I didn't expect, but I'm so happy people are watching, and yeah, the algorithm really works, honestly. It's boosting my channel, which is just great. Wow, great news. The summer is gonna work out for us. I'm pretty sure. Okay, so let's move on. Declare implicitly. Okay, variables. Let's clear this one. The C# compiler works behind the scenes. I like this phrasing, like compiler works behind the scenes. So it's just Sherlock Holmes, I guess. This compiler can infer and blah blah blah. What are implicitly typed local variables? An implicit is created by using the var. Huh? In this example, a string variable was created using the var keyword instead of string. Why? I honestly prefer string. The var keyword tells the C# compiler that the data type is implied by the assigned value. After the type is implied, the variable acts the same as if the actual data type had been used to declare it. The var keyword is used to save on keystrokes when types are lengthy or when the type is obvious from the context. Yeah, but I would still use string, not var, because the variable message is immediately set to the string value hello world. The C# compiler understands the intent and treats every instance of message as an instance of type string. Okay. In fact, the message variable is typed to be a string and can never be changed. So Message is typed to be a string and can never be changed. For example, consider the following code. From this code, you see an error. It doesn't make sense. Because this is a string and this is a decimal. Yeah, okay. Variables using the var keyword must be initialized. So the var keyword is dependent on the value used to initialize the variable. If you try to use the var keyword without initializing the variable, you will receive an error when you attempt to compile your code. Okay. So another error for this one. Why use the var keyword? Yes, you should start with this question instead. The var keyword has been widely adopted in the C# community. It's likely that if you look at a code example in a book or online, you'll see the var keyword used instead of the actual data type name, so it's important to understand its usage. The var keyword has an important use in C#. Many times, the type of a variable is obvious from its initialization. In those cases, it's simpler to use the var keyword. The var keyword can also be useful when planning the code for an application. Okay, when you begin developing code for a task, you may not immediately know what data type to use. Okay. Okay, I see. Can help you develop your solution more dynamically. That's true. Okay, so if we don't know yet the data type that we are gonna use, we can put this one. So it's basically a replacement of the string, the integer, the other ones as well. I see. Good to know. As you get started, it is recommended that you continue to use the actual data type name in declared variables. Okay. You can just take a print screen of this one as well. Why using, you can actually, I don't know what I typed here, honestly. It's just why using var. Okay, you could have opened it again. Nice. So this was 5. Let's go to 6. In this challenge, you will write code that will combine literal and variable values into a single message. We should clear, okay, the console is clean. Select all of the code in the .NET editor, just select bleed. Store the following values in the variables. Variables should be given names that reflect their purpose. Okay, so Bob. Bob is a string. First name equals Bob. Bob the builder. Let's go. Second one, it's an integer. I'm pretty sure. First number. Let's just say like that. 3. Okay. Then decimal, I think, or var. I'm not sure though. Decimal, not first number, first value. So 3, no. Okay, this should be okay, I hope. Do we get any error? Yes. Literal of type double cannot be. M here. Okay. Or F, maybe, from float. Is it working though? No. Okay, so we need an M for it. I was curious, actually. Literal. Okay, maybe we can actually, I would say, decimal value error solved. Solution. Nice. So we should use here an M. Okay. Make sure you select the correct data type for each. Maybe we can, honestly, here I would say var because it told us when we don't know. Yeah, I was just curious in my mind. It was definitely a decimal, but apparently you will combine the variables with literal strings passed into a series of console write commands to form a complete message. And so this one basically. Write code to display the following message. Okay. So console write. Not write line because it's still everything is on the same line. So it's just write for us from now on. Console write and hello Bob. Now what we can do, hold on. We actually need not, I have an idea. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna do it myself. Console write, so now we need these ones and a space in between maybe, I think. Okay, now another console write, and here we have to say you have 3 messages in your inbox, just like that. Now it should be okay. And now another space, so another console write. By the way, I was curious about something. We were supposed to put yeah, okay, but my question is, do I have to I think I need a space here as well, or maybe not. I will check it after I write this one. It's gonna be console write, and here we will have the temperature is 34.4 Celsius. Okay, my question is, yes, so we need a space in between. Got it. Your course before was a specified output. It did. Okay, so this is how it works. Nice. I finished this one as well. Review the solution. Okay, let's see if we did it right. Oh, guys. Yeah, I was. You know what? Hold on. No, I will get back. My mistake was that I literally forgot to implement the name of the here where I've declared, right? Because I just read it text, so that's not okay. Console write, and here we need Bob. No, hold on. Here we need first name. Yes. So I have to delete this one. Do I need a space in between? I think I do. Alright, let's see. Yes. So I need a space in between. Here I need another console write, and I have to say this one, right? I think it's, yeah. Okay, another space. You have hold on, I will just say console dot, right, so we can actually put the rest of the text. You have space and then another one, and then console write. Here we will say first number in your inbox. It should work. Okay, one space here in between. Nice. Another space. The temperature is okay. Console write. Here we have to say first value, and then another console write Okay, and the rest, which is, hold on, what happened? This one. Okay, now it should be fine. I just need here one space in front. Yes, so this is the outcome. We did it right now. So nice. Name. What they did, they didn't use that many lines as me. So here this was my decimal. So I was right. Instead here we should have used a decimal with an M, not a var. Okay, so that's a special occasion for var. Hello, name. Okay. So instead of this, what they did, and actually instead of this one as well, they literally added everything. We don't need this one. We just took this, put it here. They've deleted this space, so it's less code and still the same outcome. So now it's right. Yes. Nice. So we did it. We did it the right way. That's great. Oh my god. Guys, the video got 1000 views. We are at 1000 views. Can you guys believe it? We got 1000 views. I just can't. I can't. I am shocked. Literally. I don't know if you can see this. Let me... Hold on. You know what? I'm gonna just... See? Wait. My bad. See? Focus, please. Camera. Camera. Anyways, you can see the 1K there. It's just... Damn. Can't believe it. Yeah. Interesting. Yeah. Hold on. Okay. Yeah. Let's go to the next one. Which of the following variable names should or must be avoided? This one's definitely. What is the... I mean also that, but what is the problem with this line of code? var message. Use of var keyword without initializing the variable. Variable named message should always be a string. I mean, I'm not sure. Okay, here I'm not sure. Use of var keyword without initializing. Honestly, I would say a variable named message should always be a string. And this one is also right. Is the output. The output of that is this one. execute following lines of code creates a variable correctly. I would say these two are not correct because there is a space in between the number and the M. I'm also not sure about that. Okay, so incorrect. This was correct. A var data type must have an initialized value. Okay. Generally describe its perspective. Okay. So use a var keyword without initializing the variable. Okay, this was right. And the first one was right as well. And this one, the assignment correctly matches the declarated data type. Okay. Oh, and here it doesn't make sense because it's like char quotation marks. Okay. Yeah, that's right. Summary. So we also did this one, and yeah, that's true. We got it now. We've completed this one. Check your answer. Submit the next challenge. So we did this. From basic string formatting. I think it's this one. Okay. Anything new out here? Let's see. I'm curious if there's anything. No. And here. No. Guys, let's begin this one as well. So we are here. Maybe we can finish this one and work even more. I don't know. It depends on how fast we will go. Okay, create string. Let's just begin. Wait, I just caught the browser switching to German. Are you German? No, I'm not. The thing is, before it was in Swedish. Like, I don't get it. Microsoft literally just pranks me every time with a new language. I'm gonna try again and I will show you. Okay, apparently now it's English. Hold on. I will pick one. Random one. See? Like, it's, I don't know. I literally don't know why. It's a mystery from which country I'm from, but no, I don't speak German. So you're paying attention. Thank you, buddy. Okay. So the exercise: format literal strings in C#. In this exercise, you will learn different techniques to display special characters. Character escape sequences. An escape character sequence is an instruction to the runtime to insert that makes learning a new programming language even harder. Lord, exactly. Imagine, I don't speak, like, the only words that I know in German are Guten Tag. What else? I forgot. Guten Tagen. Guten Morgen, I think, right? That's pretty much it. I'm randomly looking at the stream every now and then. Thank you very much for keeping it open and still watching. That's nice of you. I appreciate it a lot. Okay, let's see. Escape character sequence is an instruction to the runtime to insert a special character that will fit. Escape character. Sorry for that. If you've heard anything, guys, I'm sorry. I just hit the mic. An escape character sequence is an instruction that will affect. Oh, guten Tag, guten. The only thing I know, literally. An escape character sequence is an instruction. Are you from Germany? This is why you got that excited. Because it makes sense if you are. Escape character sequences and instructions on runtime to insert a special character. Escape character sequence. Escape character sequence. Oh Jesus. This. Oh, the following code uses escape character sequences to add new lines and steps. Oh my god, this is. So instead of console. So console right line. Well, Switzerland next to Germany. So I do speak German. Yeah, I know where Switzerland is. Oh my god, listen. One of my dreams is to visit Switzerland because the landscapes that I've seen on social media in general with Switzerland are very, very nice. Yeah, it's just great. Bern is the capital. Am I right? I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right though. It used to be Geneva and now it's Bern. I'm sorry if I'm mistaken. But yeah, you got pretty nice mountains and lakes and stuff like that. They always say that Switzerland is the most expensive country in the world, actually, I think. Hold on, now I'm curious. Most expensive countries entirely, so let's go. But that's not bad because it means the salaries are also great. It's very safe to live there. Like, don't get me wrong, because I'm really curious and I really want to visit this country at some point. And I also know that you speak French. I think Switzerland it's like split in 3 parts. So it's German, it's French and something else. Hello unknown and welcome on my channel, buddy. I'm glad that you're here. We do have some insane mountains and valleys. Yeah, also yes, Bern. Nice. So yeah, it is so expensive, yes, but some northern ones are also expensive. Oh, I see. And the languages are French, German, and English, or Dutch. Hello unknown. Yeah, we should spam hello unknown in the chat. Welcome here, buddy. You're very welcome. Fetnat, the guy that also told you hi, told me that he's from Switzerland and we are talking about his country now, which is great. Because, yeah, it's a very nice country. Yeah, German, French, and Italian, yes. And some other language we don't use at all anymore. Ooh, so it's like on dead language, an old language. Interesting, though. Thank you. No, yeah. Thank you very much for subscribing. Unknown, I think. I don't know if you subscribed, buddy, but yeah. Thank you. I'm checking the messages because I'm literally receiving. Oh, Sefa Erim Laz actually subscribed. Thank you very much. So, yeah. How is life in Switzerland? From someone that actually lives here, like, are you happy with everything that's going there, or do you have something to complain about? I'm just as I've told you, I'm curious because I've always wanted to visit the country, didn't got the chance yet to, but I will in the near future. Yeah, thank you for the follow. My bot is finally here. That's my joke. I will find you and I will bet you. It's a way of saying thank you, but it's just funny, at least in my mind. Hold on, my bad. Yes. Ah, okay. So literally instead of saying, but what if I say, it's interesting. Yeah. Oh, I am so lucky, grateful, safe, and happy. Wow, so it's really true. The citizens are also very proud citizens, like proud citizens of their own country. That's great, and I'm happy it's not a myth, and it's true because it's great. You know how they say it's so small, but still it's one of the biggest in the world. By the way, congratulations for Eurovision because you won this year also. Okay, console that it's so weird to write it like that. Like honestly, I would prefer another line of code instead of putting this. It's very confusing, at least for me as a beginner. I don't know. Yeah. So it's a tab. It is a great place to be, and I have not really anything to complain about except for the very closed mindset of the older generations. But I think that's everywhere, honestly. It doesn't. Yeah, it's not because of the country. It's, I think, everywhere, right? Oh, yeah. Was crazy. I think what is ASK? Eurovision, like the guy that won was crazy. Not much of a fan, but my friends went wild. Wow. It wasn't like how should I say? It was interesting. I watch it very neutral. Like at Eurovision, I can't say I really have someone that I liked that much because they were all good, too different from each other. So I was like very happy for everyone that would win, you know. But what I liked about Neo, I think is the guy I remember now, is that in his song he combined all types like opera, a bit of trap, Eurovision Song Contest. Ah, okay. Yeah, I just say Eurovision, I forget about song contest, but that part, I just forget about that part. But yeah, that's very interesting, the way he combined all the types of music in just one song. See, this is why I told you it's great to have someone to talk to on live streams, because after a certain point, I also get a bit tired of what I'm doing because, you know, programming requires a lot of attention and stuff, and I have to take short breaks. And because I'm live, it's not like I will stand up and go somewhere else. And yeah, it's nice having someone to talk to while I'm live. So thank you very much for being here. If you feel like sharing anything else about Switzerland, I'm very open to listen because it's very nice. Yeah, the drums in the song were so drum and bass. I love that. Yeah, it's true. Also, I will ask you, but respond only if you feel. No, but you have to keep learning. No breaks. Come on. Yeah, but it's not like I'm gonna be here 9 hours and just focused. I can't, right? I also need a few short breaks. So thank you. Also, what I wanted to ask, and as I said, just respond if you feel comfortable or only if you feel like it. Are you a student? Or are you working? Or Swiss food is pretty lame in my opinion. Okay, I see. Yeah, I haven't tried anything. Or did I? Okay, now I'm gonna say if I've ever tried something because I don't know. Oh, but they don't have pictures. I want pictures. Hold on. What's this? Okay, I haven't tried this one. Melted cheese dish served. I haven't tried it, but it looks nice. It looks interesting. Tarts and Mhm. Yeah, of course I've tried tart. Tart. I hope I'm pronouncing it right, but I don't think I've tried like your traditional one. So no, another no. I'll reply in a minute. We'll be right back. Take your time, no problem. Yeah, I'm just curious now. The mountains and trails to hike this on the way up. Semi-dried sausage. I mean, I've tried semi-dried sausage, but yeah, I don't know if exactly this type, you know. Imagine someone entering right now the live stream, me saying I'm learning C# and they watching food right here is gonna be so confusing. Alpine macaroni. No, also haven't tried. Raclette. What's this? Also, I've never tried. Rusty. What's this? Of potatoes. I've also never tried this one. I've tried risotto, but maybe not this type. So interesting. What is this? Blood of fried cheese. So a lot of cheese. You guys really love cheese. I also love cheese. In the villages. Interesting. Polenta. Also never tried it. What's this? Seriously. Oh my god. Listen, this one, it's my favorite one. But I don't know if it's like cooked in your own traditional way, but I love this mushroom with white sauce. I mean, not wine. I've never tried like mushrooms with wine, but with um a type of sauce, and that's great. I don't know, was that Swiss chocolate? Yeah, I think I've tried your chocolate. That's pretty good, I would say. We don't have pictures, so hard to tell, but yeah. So this was my top tier. I don't know anything about it. It was funny just looking at unknown recipes. Okay. Okay, this is a good question. If we need to insert a double quotation mark in a literal string, if you don't use the character escape sequence, you'll confuse. Uh-huh. So it doesn't work. Okay. Interesting. So I'll just say marks in one line. In one line. Yes. Okay. let's try it out. So it was, hold on, but it's very complicated, honestly. Like very complicated. In another one. Wow, goddamn. If I want to use them, to display them in the console actually. That's interesting. Okay. From the code above, you would see the following output. But if you need to use the backslash for other purposes, like to display a file path, this is just like we have here. Actually, they removed that one, honestly. But maybe if we go here, for example, properties, I'm curious. Yeah, we can find it still like this. We can just copy paste it. Nice. Fortunately, C# reserves. So it doesn't work. Okay. The problem is some produce an error because it's valid, a valid escape sequence for a carriage return. However, you don't want to use. You can use. Okay. So double. Escaping. Interesting. Okay. So this is for like. It doesn't work. Location of a file. Location of a file. Yeah. Location of a file is fine. So, select and press delete. Let's clean our console. Create a mockup of the command line tool. Enter the following code. Jesus, I will just copy paste this one because it's too much here to. And run the code. You will see this outcome. So what do we have here? We have these ones to display them here. We got this one, which means like new line. Let's say I'll just remove this one. What's gonna happen? It won't work at all. Okay. Complete TT tab. So it's like the space in between for that. If we add only one, it's gonna become closer to left. Yes. Okay. Nice. Here, is this necessary? Why though? So this is for new line, right? Yeah. But still, why do we need the T? The tab, because there's nothing after. Interesting. Okay, let's clear the console. Verbatim string literal will keep all white spacing characters without the needs. With the verbatim string used down directly before the literal string. Oh, Jesus, this is complicated. Notice that the string spans 2 lines and the white space generated by this C# instruction is kept in the following output. Yeah, this is something complicated again. Then I don't know if I'm gonna use it that much. But the following code, let's do it. Console.write. Is there anything new out there? Oh my god, the video has 1,100 views. This is getting crazy and crazier, honestly. I didn't expect it. I really didn't expect it. I just can't say thank you to everyone, honestly. Okay. So here we were supposed to continue. See that invoices. Okay. This is why they added the tab and stuff. Okay. Unicode escape characters. You can also add encoded characters in literal strings using the /u escape sequence, then for character code representing some character. Format out using Unicode escape characters. Number of the command line tool. You will add a phrase in Japanese. Then you'll display a verbal that represents command the user can enter. You also add some escape sequences for formatting. Add the following columns to your application. Pair it with the following. And this is gonna be the output. It looks like a virus. It really does. Recap. Okay, I will take a screenshot of this because I haven't really seen these comments that much. So I would say just special comments. Yeah, pretty much. So use character escape sequences when you need to insert a special character into a literal string like a tab, a new line, or a double quotation mark. Use an escape character for the backslash when you need to use a backslash in all other scenarios. Use the run directive to create a that keeps all white space formatting and backslash characters in a string. Use the okay. Don't like this one, but anyways. Oh my god, then we will have exercises. Oh no. Often you'll need to combine data from many different sources. String. What is this? Programmer speakers. Oh, okay. Like addition, the second value is appended to the end of the first, and so on. You write code to concatenation. Hi there. Oh, hi there, Paul. How are you? Welcome. Haven't seen you in a while. And a variable. Two strings together. You use the string. I'm back. So yes, I am 20% student. Okay, 80% working for now, studying in IT, but no game development. That's just a hobby for now. Hello, Pranay Paul. Thank you, Fednat, for saying hi. Doing this stream open is really nice as just background noise. Is it really? Just listening to a guitar and me talking about C#. Are you sure? It is a nice experience though. Hold on, guys. I wanted to see it. I did a mistake. Why? Uh-oh. Wait a sec. Maybe refresh. Nope. Ah, okay, we are back with the comments. I was afraid I deleted them. So hold on. I wanted to. So first I asked Paul how is he because he just joined. Then I wanted to say to Fatnat, also, is it okay to call you Fatnat? I just feel a bit bad about it. I'm glad that you are doing a lot of stuff at the same time and you also have this passion, which is a really, really nice and special passion, I would say, because there are not a lot of people in this field. Imagine I also started in January at the university, my first interaction ever with Unity, and I just fall in love with it that much. But I wanted to open this YouTube channel especially for it. But I've told you even in the first video that I'm into technology, so don't expect me to show you only game development on this channel. It's gonna be about everything. Learning C#, yes, from scratch. Welcome here. This live stream is already how long? No, almost 2 hours. Yes, I'm trying my best here with this course. I did this 1 year ago, and now I'm redoing just this part, and I want to look through these ones as well. And at the very end, we will climb a certification, but 100% not today because it's a lot. Like you can see here, how much is it? I'm planning. I mean, I don't want to promise things that I can keep my. I don't want to. I don't want to not keep my promises. So I don't know. I will try my best to do another live stream tomorrow. I hope I will succeed. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. I think I replied to all of you guys. Okay. So let's see. And once again, thank you very much, Hynix. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. Two strings together, use the string operator, which is the plus symbol. Oh wow, just connect them by plus. Select, we've cleaned this one. Have to enter the following code. Okay. String first name. And what next after this C#? You're already asking me what's coming up next. You know, in general, I want to keep the videos a surprise. The scope. You mean the scope of this? Like, what's the scope of learning C#? The scope of learning C# is for Unity, because in Unity we will need this programming language. So in my mind, it's like, I don't want only to use ChatGPT for everything. I want to also use my brain from time to time. So why not trying to figure out what is ChatGPT actually doing there? So yeah, just to get a bit of understanding. Maybe I will also like it a bit more in the future. I don't know. We have to see. But it's very logical. By now, I like it. It's pretty interesting. I also did C++ at university. It was nice. I passed the exams, and so I think C++ was a bit easier than C#. You know, I've tried HTML and CSS with you guys. That was also easier than this one. I think C# is the most complicated from the ones that I've learned, but I'm pretty sure there are a lot like Python, Ruby. I've never tried anything like that, so I can't compare this one with that. If you guys have an idea, you can just let me know in the chat. So first, okay, so first name, message. Oops, I misspelled something. Okay, so we got message here. Now run the code. Hold on, there's an issue. No, there was a space here. Okay. Hello, Bob. This is the outcome. Notice the order. The first string, hello, is first in the new string. And the value in the first name variable is appended to the end of it. Okay, that's right. That's true. But what if we, for example, take this one? I'm curious now. But it won't make sense. You know what I wanted to do, guys? I wanted to cut this one, the first line, and I wanted to put it here, like in between. But it will most likely show an error because what we've learned already is that we first have to declare it and then use it. So if I'm gonna switch the order like this, it won't work. Yes, before exactly. So it needs to be declared and then it makes sense. Yeah, it's very logical. I like it by now. It's very nice. You can perform several. Let's try again. Modify the code you wrote earlier to the following. So I have to delete this one, add this, and also I have to delete the space. So string message greeting. What's greeting though? Ah, okay, so here is greeting. We've declared it. So this is the greeting, and then we need a space after we need the first name, and then we will need this one, and we'll end. So the outcome is this one. I find it a bit not difficult, but I don't know why in my mind it's like there could be an easier way to solve this one. Maybe I'm wrong. I mean, of course, the easiest way would be just say console write line and write hello Bob here. But this is just another way of saying hi Bob. They just love Bob. Literally. Greeting modify the console. Okay. So I have to delete. No, actually, I can delete this one. I can cut this. I can put it here. And like this. So the outcome is still the same. Okay, so they've used. So what they did instead of writing the message, they cut it a string and replaced it with the right line. Okay. And yeah, this makes sense. Recap string. Okay. Let's see the next one. I'm also checking to see if I have new comments on the latest video because it's it's literally it's crazy. The views are just crazy. Didn't expect them. Okay. I will clean this one. Hope the live stream works perfectly fine. Combines multiple values into a single literal string. A string message. In other words, instead of writing this, this is what ChatGPT used to do. And in my mind, when I see this symbol, I get so confused because it's like, why would you use a $sign in a line of code? Like, I don't know. In my mind, it just doesn't work. But honestly, I would prefer using the first method instead of this one. Even though this might be a bit easier to type, I would still go for the first one. At least now, like at the beginning when I'm starting out. Use string to combine return string to the following code. Okay, let's try to play with it a bit. So first name, again Bob, is the only name that we have. String message. Instead of the $sign, I will say the virus sign. So it's hello, then it's this. Yeah, for me it's still very confusing, honestly. And this one, Jesus. Console dot right line message. The output is still this one. It's so interesting how many different ways of saying hello Bob are out there. We've seen, I think I lost the count, like 4. Yeah. Modify the code. And run the code using the output. Hold on. I'm gonna. So the integer version. Okay. String update text. Update to Windows. Update text is this one. Version is this one. Console, right? Yeah. Why would I say everything like this when I can just use? No, I don't know. For me, it doesn't really make that much sense. Just as you did in the previous exercise, you can eliminate a temporary variable. Modify the code you wrote earlier. So what they did is they, just like we did previously, they deleted one string line and they combined here in the right line parentheses. Okay. So delete again. This one. They've just integrated this here. That's everything they did. It's using these weird symbols. So the $sign allows you to reference the project name inside the brackets, and this one allows you to use the okay, interpolation. Sorry, I hope you guys didn't hear that too loud. Okay. I don't think I'm able to use the $sign here. Oh, I am. Interesting. Signs. Nice. Recap. Yeah, I didn't like this one. Okay, fine. 5. Complete the challenge. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. 7. Begin solving the challenge. The lines of code. So we got the string. Project name. String. Okay. I'm gonna actually maybe copy this one because it's, oh my god. Okay, best decision ever. I wanted to look. Okay. Well, no output. I can go to the beginning. Why? It's weird. It's. I can go. What do you mean? Hey. This is so weird. Wait. Okay, finally. The project name variable will be used twice in the desired output. And what's the desired output? The Russian message. Oh, jeez. Okay, I don't like this one, honestly. The project name variable. Okay. So the project name variable. Project name. So, okay. Will be used twice. Fine. The Russian message. So this one contains the message. Ah, okay. So this is what it means. Like literally everything that's here means view Russian output in Russian. You must use this variable in your code that prints the message. Okay. You may not change these 2 lines of code, but you can add code above and below each line. you must use these two lines of code to form the desired output. So console write line and console write. You may only use either. No, okay. In other words, to complete this challenge, you can only create two instructions that actually print. Okay. Use character escape sequences, verbatim strings, Unicode, and string interpolation. Oh god. Okay, I will try my best to figure it out. So my question is now, okay, so what we need, let's see. So first I declared this one, then is the Russian message, and I think no issues, console write, hope. Hold on, there's an insect. Console write or write line. I'm not sure. What I remember is that project name was in these brackets. The thing is, so hold on. You English first. I got the Discord notification from a server. Okay, so now decoding the most encrypted stuff out here. First, it's gonna be console write, and then it's gonna be console write line. That's, or no, hold on, my bad. It's gonna be console write and then write line and then write. I think, I hope. Here, what we have to add is basically this thing. I am not sure. Why is this so complicated in my mind? I still don't want to look for the solution. I want to try to figure it out by myself, but Jesus. So, exercise, right? I'm not sure if I should copy what they say there, but... Oh, wait. Oh, project name. No, that's right. So, here. So that's the project name. Here first is actually the Russian message, and then the project name is inside the Russian message. But the thing is, I don't know what I need to look up to. Special comments? No. I don't know. I don't think so. No, I don't want to look at that. So, back to this one. Here, I think it's supposed to be like this. And then, the problem is, see here we have this one. Yeah, I don't know if it's okay if I just type data.text. Don't know that. Oh, yeah, that's not okay. This is not okay at all. A lot of errors. Jesus Christ. Yeah. Oh, I still have to look up to them. It's hard. First. So to display that one, what we have to do is before this. So just before this, have to use these two symbols. And the last one should be... Hold on, you know what? I'm just gonna delete this one so that there's no mistake. Is it still a mistake? God, wait. I just want to see if the last one works. So it works. But there is still something missing, which is here. This one. Right? Yes. Okay. So we did this. How are we gonna... So for this one, what if we say Russian message here? What's gonna happen? Oh, so it works, guys. It works, okay. But the thing is, it displays the Russian message. But they also want it in English, so maybe I just have to add here. I'm not sure if this is how it should be solved, but we will see later. I'll just add this for now. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we did the Russian version. The problem is that I think they said we are only allowed to use 2 lines. But only like 2 for both of translations. It works, yeah. After 1 eternity later. Literally 1 eternity later, that's my brain. The Russian message variable contains. You must use. So twice. You may only use twice. My question is now, we have to use it twice for one language or twice for both of the translations? So to complete this challenge, you can only create 2 instructions. You know what I'm just curious. I want to take a look just to see if they... Okay, so I'm literally putting my hands... I don't see anything. I just wanted to see... Talon, Russian message and... Okay. I saw it, but it's still a very hard process. Let me try to figure out what they say. So... Ah, they did it separately. Okay. No, let's get back because I didn't look. Okay. So, let's try again. And this is the Russian version. And now, I'm just gonna... And then try here. So, console right line again. Still Russian message though. Right. I'm curious if I just say this. It's still Russian message. Okay. You know what we did previously? No. I don't know what I did previously, but I think I also had the English version. I might be wrong, but anyways, let's take a look again. So, for this one, they did what you would have done with 4 right lines, but they combined the strings, so they only used 2 right lines. kind of confusing exercise. So it is indeed, it's not only my fault, right? Yeah, it's hard at the beginning, literally. I'm a beginner, so still. What we had to do here, we just have to remove this. No, just have to remove this part. Yeah, I know. I'm just gonna put this one so yeah, okay. So that one is fine, but hmm, I think here we also should use a. No, I would have looked at the solution to probably. Thank you very much. So it's not like my last two brain cells are just giving up. The exercise is also a bit hard. I'm checking my phone. 1 second. Okay. Back to business. So here the space and everything is fine. What we have to do now. Oh, well, actually, hold on, I did something wrong. This was supposed to be on top of this one. Right. So supposed to be here and only right. Yeah. What? What? Oh my god, my brain is not working anymore. Hold on. Curious. What did I do? So line. Okay, hold on. No. So line. Actually, you know what the problem might be? This one. Let me just type something. So right line. No, okay. Yeah. And here maybe a space in between. Oh wait. But they said we can use not new. What if we maybe not like this? Hold on. What was it used for? So this one. Where the string is. What if I will say I will put it here? Is it? No, it's not gonna work. Wait, maybe here. Let's try. I don't understand anything anymore, but I'm trying my best. It's not working, I guess. No. Anyways, let's forget about the spacing stuff. We will fix it later. What I wanted to do is to decode the English output. Russian message. But how is this supposed to be translated in English? You know what? I'm really curious, but it's not gonna work. Just to like copy and say, nah, that's not gonna work. So project name. Hold on, let's read it again. Okay, I'm sorry, but I'll take another look again because I'll be offline for now. Enjoy your C# and have a good rest of your day. Thank you very much, and thanks for the stream. Thank you. I am supposed to thank you very much for watching my stream, actually. Thank you a lot, and I hope I will see you in the next one as well. Take care. So what they did, okay, so Russian message, project name, Russian message. Oh, they've used multiple strings. Okay, so let's forget about mine. I know this is how, yeah, nice. So it works. We can comment that. So here, string Russian location, and let's see. They literally did what we did here. Yeah, exactly like that. Nothing else different. Yeah, and this one. And they've used console, maybe I can, yeah. And they've used console write line. No, hold on. Console write line. Russian message. Wait a sec. I'm just gonna copy this one here. They will. Should I do this one? Maybe I'll delete it. So console write line, and they've used here only this one. Oh my god, this is so complicated. The Russian message. So this one. Okay. I'm gonna delete this one so it's gonna be easier for us to understand. So the Russian message. Okay. And then new for new line. Another one for tab. Another one for tab. Okay. And now Russian location. Russian location. Okay. And new line for, I don't know for what. Is there an error? Yeah. What's wrong? Let's see. This is a small C, by the way. Project name and version. I still don't see the mistake. Where 5? So here expected, but I've used semicolon. I'm pretty sure it's an error now. Does not exist. Maybe we should start with the English one as well. Hold on, I will try. Just a second, guys, I'm checking something. Okay. So let's try then the English location. Oh my god, this is so hard. So English location. But it's still weird, like I don't understand why. Like what's wrong with this one? Because there is no mistake in here. Only if I typed something wrong, but I can't see anything. English location. So it's just the same without the R blah blah blah. And then console write line. Yeah. Okay, so exactly this one. I'm just curious if I'm gonna paste this if the console. No, it's still not working. Then what's wrong? Because I swear. No, there's still. Listen, their exercise is wrong. There's something wrong. Because it doesn't work for me. Russian message. There is no mistake in here. Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna literally clear, run, no output, and try now. Huh. Still weird. It's something wrong with the exercise, yeah. It's very weird, honestly. Okay, now let's check. Which of the following escape sequences should be used to add double quotes? I don't know. Another Discord notification. Oh, now I just received. Okay. Which of the following escape sequences should be used to add double? I would say this one, but I'm not sure if it's the right one. Which of the following lines? Correctly uses string interpolation, assuming that the variable value is a string. Assuming that the variable is a string. I think this one. I might be wrong. I might be very, very wrong. Unicode characters were embedded in the C# strings for console application. Int I. Maybe, or the wrong. Not sure. Following lines of code appends a single to the string directory. A single. Maybe this one? So this one, yeah. So it was the one from here, literally. Let's see. Okay. The user console does not support. Okay. So this is done. Okay, so this was, which one was it? No, this one was done. This one was also done. Okay. Right, this one perform basic string formatting, yes. And basic operations. Okay. On numbers, let's go. introduction. Yeah.
Right.
Let's get back to it.
Minor.
So introduction, we saw this one. Okay. Okay. So integer first number equals 12. Integer second number equals 7. Console dot write line. And now we are literally just, this is way easier than what we did previously, at least in my opinion. Second number, and we should receive the out. But, okay. Now we have to mix data, mix the code. So string, we got Bob again. Seven, and then console write line first name plus space salt space plus, wait, there's also space in between the spaces, well, widgets salt plus space widgets. Got. Okay. So we got Bob, we got salt, we got the number, and okay. This is pretty easy. Modify, what's different? Oh, they've added, wow. So if we add a number, they're just gonna glue the numbers in between them. Interesting and good to know also. Okay. And this is to clarify the intention. Oh, I see. So in this case, they're just displayed next to each other, and in this case, he's gonna actually execute the mathematical operation. Okay. That's nice. Perform math operations around the code. So sum. Okay. And this is what we're gonna write, and this is the value that we will receive after typing this. Sorry. So difference, product, quotient, yes. Money. Okay. Multiplication, division. Okay, however, the collection of previous steps and the following. Not again with this $sign. Why? Why again? I don't get it. Why it's so used?
Right.
I don't like it.
Minor.
I'm scrolling because here we got the M at the end, and here we got the M at the beginning, same? Won't work. Oh, okay. Oops. Nice. Okay. We've seen 3 uses for different right code to determine the remainder after feature. Oh, that's not that beautiful. Value 1, value 2. Okay. This is also good to know. So plus equal. Okay. Plus operator increments the value by 1. I knew this. Okay, so first increment in value 1. So 1 equals 1 plus 1. Okay. Yes, I'm also a bit tired, honestly. Wanted to see how much. Perform basic operations on numbers. So we are here. Oh my god. We don't do that much. I don't know, maybe should I start another live stream in few hours? Maybe tonight, I don't know. I'm very hard now. There's still a lot to do, so stay tuned. Well, yeah, I think this was our live stream. Thank you guys very, very, very much for watching and being here with me, and for the fact that we are 88 on this channel now. That's simply amazing. You are the best community out there. Take care, and I will see you in the next live stream. We don't know when, we will find out later.